channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Friday and Sundays. So make sure you are clicked on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Today's video is a Glossybox limited edition Zoeva box. So if you want to know more about Zoeva or more about Glossybox and what's inside this box, because trust me, you want to know what's inside this box. I've already had a look and oh my god, then please stay tuned to this video. This is the Glossybox limited edition Zoeva box. So just a quick little recap of what these are. Glossyboxes are a subscription service. Every month you receive a beautiful little package, something like this, every month with 5 beauty products inside. You get to choose your own payment plan yourself, which is brilliant. Every box is worth £50 a month and you can get it for just £10 a month or less than that. How cool is that? So this is the limited edition Zoeva one. So for those of you who don't know what Zoeva is a makeup brand, and they are working with Glossybox for their limited edition. So this is what the box looks like. It's beautiful packaging. Quickly, also before I get into the box itself, I am now working with Glossybox, so I have an affiliate link for you guys. If you ever click on the affiliate link, I do get commission from it as well. So I will leave you the affiliate link to Glossybox down below in the description box below. But yeah, I am now working with Glossybox, so I will leave everything you need to know about Glossybox and about this box, which unfortunately is probably sold out by now, but probably if not, then I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. But yeah, I am now working with Glossybox, so I will leave all the affiliate links down below for you guys. So this is the limited edition Zoeva box. So if we open inside, it's just like an every month box. When you open it, you get a little leaflet, so you undo the ribbon and you take the leaflet out, and inside your leaflet just basically tells you what kind of products you're going to get inside. So I'm now giving you a little sneak peek of what's inside this box. So when you take the leaflet out, this is what it looks like. So you undo the tissue paper, and oh my god, you have so many beautiful stuff in here. Let me show you guys. So let me just place this down for you guys. So the first thing that catches my eye, which is on top, which is this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, and I've already had a look at this, and so many stunning colours. I will show you. Take the little plastic off. Look how many stunning colours that is in there. Ooh. It's absolutely stunning and perfect for a day-to-day colour. They are absolutely beautiful colours. They are the perfect colours you would need for a day-to-day, day to night to evening. You know, they are the absolutely stunning colours and I love them. I normally go for the nudes anyway because that's what suits me better. Then next thing we have is this little guy here. So this is the Zoeva mini brushes. So inside here you get the concealer buffer, Luxe crease, Luxe smoky shader and a brow line. So inside you get a little package and it says Zoeva written on it, which I think is absolutely cute. A little, oh my god, they are so tiny. So these are the brushes, so obviously they are black with Zoeva writing, and it tells you what they are as well on the actual brushes, so you don't have to go hunting for a blending brush or anything else. And they're just a white cotton little brush at the end, and I think they are absolutely perfect and I love them. You can never have too many brushes, that's what I always say to my bra. Next is this little guy here. So this is the strobe gel. Now I've never even heard of strobe gel before, not even know how to use it, but you could either use this as a base to give your face a little bit of an extra glow, or you can use it as a highlighter, and it is an absolutely stunning colour. I'm about to show you now of how stunning it is. Look at that gorgeous colour. So this is in the shade, once I put the lid back on, well done Lauren, just go and chuck the lid all over the floor. Luckily we've got a bit of plastic there so I can hold it. This is in the shade CB7. Don't know if that's notice to anyone, but that is the shade. It's absolutely stunning and it's beautiful and I love it. So 3 more products I have to show you. One is this. So this is the Pure Matte Lips Dare to Dream lipstick. So I am so excited to use this. It's perfect. Look at that colour. It's absolutely stunning. And obviously the shade is Dare to Dream. I will do a little swatch test for you guys as well. Look at that colour. That's absolutely perfect nudie pink. And look, I've done a little swatch test for you guys, but look how stunning that colour is. It's like a nudie pinky colour, and I always love a good nude, a lipstick or lip gloss or anything else, because that is basically what I live in, is nude basically. Next one is, this is the Graphic Eyes Black to Earth eyeliner. Now, I love a good eyeliner, I really, really do, especially a pencil one. Oh, I love that sound. So this is the black eyeliner. Oh, it's pure black, literally pure black, which I absolutely love. If you're one of those kind of girls who loves a good smoky eye wing, then these kind of eye pencils, which are kind of more creamier and easy to blend eyeliners as well, I absolutely love how textured that is. It makes it more thick and it is easier to blend. Yeah, it does take a while to blend, but it is easier to blend. But yeah, I've never had an eyeliner like that before, and this is actually the first Zoeva product I've actually got myself. So I'm so excited to test these products out. If you guys have ever used Zoeva products before, can you please let me know of what's your favourite Zoeva product? Because I would love to try out more Zoeva products. Then last in this box we have an eyeshadow fix matte. Now this is a eyeshadow primer. I had to read this up myself because I didn't actually know what this was. But this is the eyeshadow primer in the shade matte. So this is, you can just put this on before you put your eyeshadow on, and I'm so excited to use that because I've never had an eyeshadow primer before. So I'm so excited to give that a go. I just normally put my eyeshadow on instead of priming my eyes. I think I should have done that really, because otherwise I get creased up and everything else. But now I have an eyeshadow primer, I will be able to make my eyes look a bit more better than they normally are. That is the end of the box, and I'm just going to show you anyway. You guys are probably not interested, but they all come in this little shredded glittery bits as well. In the actual monthly box, they come in shredded black paper, but I actually like this kind of iridescent thing. I really do. So that is all the products that I have received in the Glossybox limited edition Zoeva box. So again, I am working with Glossybox, so the affiliate link will be down below for you guys as well. So you don't forget, if you click on it and you purchase anything, I get just a small commission from that, which I'm so excited to be working with Glossybox. I have loved Glossybox for a very long time, and I do love all their products as well. Every time they arrive, they make me so happy. Also, the products in here are absolutely amazing. They're perfect for a chill out day, just a nice little treat for yourself or treat to someone else you love. Also, I have ordered the Glossybox advent calendar, so that should be arriving this month or beginning of next month, which I will show you guys as well. I will show you an unboxing of that. And I have another beauty advent calendar which I've told you about. But yeah, if you want to see them opened and do like an unboxing of the advent calendars, then please let me know in the comment section below, and I will get that sorted for you. Guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. So today has been a Glossybox limited edition Zoeva unboxing. If you have enjoyed what's inside this beautiful box, then please head over to Glossybox and make sure you monthly subscribe to their boxes every month. You get so many different products each month, so many products you've never even heard of, so many brands you've never even heard of. And yeah, they're just a really nice treat to yourself. You can either treat yourself, you can either treat someone you know, a friend, a family member, a mother-in-law, a mum. You can even treat your colleague if you're that close to someone. You know, they are beautiful little products at the end of the month, and they come in like a small little box like this. So they are perfect little gift boxes as well. Also quickly, some people have been reusing their boxes. So some people have been messaging me saying, what do you do with your old glossy boxes? Well, I actually get rid of them because I've got loads of makeup drawers in my beauty room, which you guys have seen in my beauty room tour. But I have so many makeup drawers, so I don't really have the necessary to keep these. But some people have been using them for like taking away if you're going on a holiday, or if you're going to girls' night, or going a weekend away. Some people have been using these to store their jewellery in, or some makeup or whatever, just so it don't get ruined. Some people have been putting them on their wall to make little box shelves. Some people have been using for everything. There is a way you can actually use these as like a little jewellery box. I think Glossybox has actually put that in the Glossy Lounge. I'm not too sure, but I'll find out for you guys and I will let you guys know. But you can use these for so many stuff as well. So you don't have to get rid of the boxes, you can reuse them. So today, that is going to wrap up today's video. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to can't speak now. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.